Hi guys, this is Calculus Family. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through tangent planes in multivariable function. Find the equation of the tangent plane to this curve at this point. How do we solve this problem? When you visit our video on equations of planes, you realize that to find the equations of plane, you need two things. You need one point in the plane, and you also need the direction of the plane. And direction of the plane normally is given by the normal vector. In applications of differentiation, we use the gradient function as given the direction of our plane. Okay, so therefore my gradient function here, which is going to be a function of what fx comma fy, will give me or will define the direction of my plane as simple as possible. So my equation then becomes my z minus z naught is equal to my fx at x naught why not? Okay, your gradient function at that point, which gives you what we call the direction number, or is a direction, multiplying x minus x naught, right, plus your fy at x naught y naught, which is your derivative with respect to what, to the y. It gives you a direction number in the y direction, so y minus what, y naught. As simple as that. Now z naught is simply equal to, since our function is here, you see z naught is simply a function of what, your x naught y not? You just put your points within, as simple as possible. Let's find a respective point. So to start, our z naught is going to give us length of what, 2 multiplying negative 1 plus what, 3. Is that not it? What's the answer? Length 1, and that will give us 0. You put it down. Our fx in this function is going to be what? When you differentiate this expression, you realize that with respect to x, you get 2. This is a constant, so it's 0. So you get 2 over 2x plus y. You end up putting your points inside. You get 2 over 2 multiplying negative 1 plus 3. That gives us 2. Our fy is simply going to be, you get 1 over the expression 2x plus y, right? Then you put in your value, negative 1, 3. You end up getting 1 over 2, negative 1 plus 3. And that gives us 1. So now we have it. So what do? We come back to our equation. Z minus 0 is equal to fx of this point, give us a 2. So 2 multiplying x minus x naught. X naught is the point here, negative 1, 3. So it gets plus 1 plus our fy, which is the functional derivative at that point, it give us 1 multiplying y minus y naught. Y naught is 3. Is that not it? We are done. So z is equal to 2x plus 2 plus y minus 3. And that is z is equal to 2x plus y minus 1 as the equation of the plane at that point. Thank you for being with me in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.